We are coming to you from Edinburgh today, and it's very rainy. So let's just see, what do I think about Edinburgh? We've made it up the hill, and now we are standing just outside of Edinburgh Castle. And it seems that the rain has stopped a little bit, which is nice. But man, this was a trek up a hill, but it's worth it. What a beautiful castle. And what a beautiful view. Check this out. We're now in the main square inside the castle, and it's quite impressive. A lot of tourists. Rain has stopped, so that's nice. We're going to go into the Great Hall. Just spoke with a man playing the bagpipes, and he said he's from the family of Ersker, which is one of the oldest clans, he says. Actually, he says it's not a clan, it's a family, but he says that one of their tartans is the oldest, one of the oldest. So I thought that was quite interesting. It's also red and green, which is the same color as my family's tartan. We're standing just outside of Giles Cathedral. It's the main Presbyterian cathedral in Edinburgh, and we are going to church this morning. Easy to say that we love Edinburgh. It's so old and it's so interesting, and there is a lot to see here. Now we're walking up Hanover Street in the Newtown section of Edinburgh. It's got more shops and a lot more traffic, lots of restaurants. There are still some old buildings here, but it's definitely not the old town. We'll see what we can find.